Hello, hello. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a very important tip. On your screen, if you go to help, you can simplify short trainings. Short trainings is a feature here, as you can see on your screen. Short trainings, if you click on it, on the right-hand side, you'll get a help. And this is very important to understand that this has very specific topics. For example, I can find anything related to the rows and columns, cells, formulas and functions, charts and tables, etc., etc. Everything is available here. So you simply have to click on, for example, pivot tables. I click on pivot tables. What kind of things I want to do? It is here. I click on filter data in pivot table, and it will give me examples and options how to learn pivot tables, how to fill data learn. So you can also see here, if you click on it, it will start running a little presentation as well, a little video. So everything is here around with you. If you're struggling to search the things on internet, no worries. It is inside your Excel. You can find it over there. I'll go back to the home, and there I can simply even write here. For example, VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, I write here and click on search, and it will give me the option. What do you want to learn about VLOOKUP? So on and so forth. So everything is here. You just need to click and start learning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will bring more and more such tips and tricks for all of you. Till then, take care and ciao, ciao.